Hello everyone and welcome back to this new episode. After probably a week that I'm not uploading anything, I want to update you what is happening, what I'm doing right now, and why I'm not uploading videos about trading. If you watched my last video, I really reached a very hard moment where I discovered there is a big weakness inside me, and I'm losing against my emotions. So after debating many times about stopping, not stopping, I understood that I needed a break. I needed a break with trading with real money. The emotions were too much. I was not able to have a good strategy to follow, and for that reason, I decided to stop and start to paper trade. And especially a break of at least 1 week and a half now of not trading with real money, it's a big accomplishment for me, because it's been 1 year, almost 1 year. Yes, I've been trading almost every day. Probably the longest break I had was 2 days, and now finally it's been 1 week and a half. I even traded with real money. It's accomplishment because taking a step back from trading make you understand better the market, make you understand better your emotions, make you understand what steps before you were really pushing and you should not have done that. Why I should have focused in different things. So after watching one very interesting video, I will put the link here on the bottom, and here is the thumbnail of the video if you want to watch it as well. It's about why you should stop after blowing an account, and I will speak about as well in another video about how did I blow my first account, and how I'm managing right now. So in this break, I'm trying to understand my problems, try to find a strategy that suits me. So I'm really taking the strategy I was using before with the options, taking it and throwing it away. I was using 9 MEA as a main strategy, or 21, and I understood that it does not work. It does not work for me, because it might work for you. It might 9 MEA for you is the best strategy ever, or then 21 is the best strategy ever. You know how to trade it. You know your emotions. But in my case, I understood it does not work. So what I understood is that I have to work on that, and I'm step by step, I'm finding my way. The first things I've done is I'm moving away from options. Understood that they're not for me, for the moment at least. I don't find myself playing well with them, and the emotions are probably too high. I'm moving away from stocks somehow, but I'm going on the direction of the futures. I'm trading futures since 1 week now, 1 week and a half, and I'm finding myself much better. It's still paper trading, so paper trading many times you want to trade, you're trading, but you want to go live right away. But I'm finding myself very good right now of paper trading, finding the good moment to enter in a trade, waiting for the good entry, and it's working for the moment. I'm stepping away as well from the 1 minute chart. I'm using more the 5 minutes chart for the signals, and the 1 minute chart I'm using it only for a better entry and playing possible different way of adding to a winner. That is something that I'm learning again. But I will speak about this in the next videos. Something that I want to add as well is that I want to try to get a founded account in TopStep. And if you don't know it, I will leave you the link down on the bottom. And is the possibility to trade futures by passing their challenge, this true challenge. And if you pass them, you are able to have a founded account of 50, 100k or 150k, and played with money that is not yours. Of course, there are many rules, many strict rules that you might follow. You cannot lose too much money, or your account will be blocked. This is as well might help me as well on the overtrading fact that I have. It's one of my main issue, and I'm trying to improve on that. As well, second is I'm trying to to don't lose too much money in my side, and wait to have better strategy, to have finally a good way of trading that does not make me lose money. So before that, if I can use a founded account that where I can risk, win, and don't lose my money, it's perfect. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to learn, and in 1 week, probably 1 week and 1.5 weeks, or even less, it depends how it's gonna be in the next few days, I will try to do the challenge. I think I'm gonna upload everything on YouTube about the challenge, and if I was past the step 1 or the step 2, and I'll let you know. I'm very honestly excited for that one, but as well the excitement, I have to control it and make it easy for me to trade when I will start. So hopefully this will work. I'm now trying to understand their platform, trying to understand how it works with the macros contract, with the mini contracts of the Nasdaq especially, and for the moment it's going well. Today, for example, I used the 100 the real account. I reached almost $2,000 gain. Okay, it's paper account, so it means nothing, but hopefully with the strategy that I'm working on, this will work on the long term, and I can get funded and then probably withdraw some money. So guys, I hope you liked this update. It's not anything special, but it's a start for new videos about TopStep, about futures, and hopefully as well come back to the previous challenge of 1K. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.